In this section, we are going to look at HTML tables. Tables are defined by the table tag, and they are divided into table rows and columns. Columns are also known as table data, and the table data is defined by the TD tag, and table rows are defined by the TR tag. So let's take a look at how we can use these tags to create a table. So I am going to do some cleanup on this code. So let's create a table with 2 rows and 2 columns. Therefore, we are going to use the table tag, and then inside the table tag we are going to include a row using the tr tag. So this is one row, but we want 2 rows and 2 columns. So just below the tr tag, I'm going to add another row using the another tr tag, and then inside each tr tag I'm going to include 2 td tag, meaning table data or columns. So I am adding a td tag here and another td tag. So the td tag can hold other HTML elements like a paragraph, a heading, an image, just any, or you can just include data like text. So I'm just going to include text here. I can say I'm going to use something random like JavaScript. Here I can include Python, and then in the second row I can add other td tags. So I'm just going to paste here. Then inside the first td tag I can include a framework of JavaScript like Node. Actually, Node is a runtime environment for JavaScript, but it is used for backend. And then Python, I can include Django. I'll save this file. I'll minimize this one and locate my HTML file here and open it. So you can see that we have JavaScript, Python, Node, and Django. They are arranged nicely like a table, but we can't see the borders. Now to add the borders, we need to use the border attribute. So inside the table, I'm going to use the border attribute. Border is equals to 2. So this will add a border. You can use 2, 3. So the more you increase the number, the larger the border will be. Let's save this one. I'll go back to the web page and refresh. So you can see that a table have been created with a border now, and we have the table data that we created, 2 rows and 2 columns. So we can span a row over 2 columns using the call span attribute. So maybe we want to include node to span over the 2 columns. To do this, I'll remove this Django, and then inside the td tag I'll use call span attribute, and then I'll set it as 2. I'll save this one, head back to the browser and refresh. So you can see that node is now spanning over 2 columns, and we can center this using the align attribute. So I can say align center. I'll save this one, head back to the browser, and boom, perfect. Now I think that's enough for creating a table. You can try adding more columns. So let's say I add another column like Java. I'll save this one and head over to the browser and refresh. So you can see that Node have span only on these two columns, but not on this Java column. It's only two columns. So in case I remove the call span attribute and head over to the browser and refresh, you can see now that it is spanning only on one column. So that's how we create tables. I hope you enjoyed this section. In the next section, we are going to look at HTML forms.